Hello everyone, I am Kunal Kumar. I had completed my graduation from BSc IT from Mumbai University, and after that I was searching for a job, and during my job search I got to know about Evision Technoserve, and there I registered myself for 45 days intensive program, and there I learned about window administration, CCNA, networking and virtualization. After completing my training, I got a job in Brawn Laboratories with a package of 2.28 LPA. Thank you, Evision team, for helping me in this journey. Thank you so much.